Touchdown down. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, it's okay. Never mind, I help you.
Okay.
Okay. You good?
Right.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh shit, man!
Oh no!
I'm on YouTube!
What happened?
I think this is what Rosso 3. When you out, the apex, you pop, just
Oh,
because I have done one time. Your tire is overheat.
overheat ah?
Maybe, might be.
Oh. Check the ni lah, pressure.
Check tire pressure. Can just slowly right back to the pit lah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright, welcome. You good ah?
Yep. So it is me after the crash, and good news, I wasn't hurt at all. This will be the condition. Crash bar took the most damage, and then my exhaust is pretty scuffed up. Oh no. And nothing else lah, basically. Oh yeah, this is winglet, but small matter, no issue. Bar ends a little bit, but not a huge problem. I'm glad the Brembo lever is fine and everything else is fine, not a scratch here. So I'm so glad that I actually bought a full suit. Woo. Yeah, you know, when I fall just now with the full suit on, it wasn't really that fast lah, about 60-70ish I think. And it didn't really feel anything. I didn't hurt myself. There's no pain. You expect a fall to be painful, but it's not at all. Yeah, it's such a weird experience, but it's a really good investment lah.
Okay.
So let's get back on the bike and go for the next session. Welcome back. Back on the bike now. We'll be doing a warm-up lap first, 2 warm-up lap, and then I'll be back here to the pit to get a reading of my tire pressure. So what happened was, the more experienced friend, what they told me was my tire pressure was way too high. So that happened. My pressure was too high, and then when I put some throttle in, and it just slipped out. And also it could be that the tire was overheating. That could be the culprit also. So just now, when I give it throttle, it slipped like ice. Yeah lor, they suspect it could be tire overheat because I'm using a Rosso 3. It's meant for sport riding but not track riding. I think I'm done with this session. They are so fast. They were in the mini bike just now. Crazy. Oh shit. Okay. No, I need to go already. Work. Thank you for teaching me. Thank you Sifu. Alright. Yeah, it's nice to have, you know, friends that knows the race stuff. Whew. Yeah. Alright, I am on my way home. Track day for me today is already kautim lah. It's done lah. It's settled. Because actually I still have work to do, so I couldn't join them for the entire session. Actually, you can go until I think at night. Not too sure what time, but yeah, you can go and ride until night time. Honestly, track day, I love it lah so far. The people that go for track day, they are so friendly. So like just now I crashed. First thing was my friend Alex, shout out to you, he helped me up. I mean, like, he helped me pick my bike up because I wasn't feeling like picking the bike up already. I don't know, it's just instinct lah, like, oh fuck this, I don't want to pick it up already. So yeah, he helped me pick it up. Then I rode it back to the pit, And people from the pit, they're friendly, they're really friendly. So they gave me advice, they tell me what to do, what not to do. They teach me what's right and what's wrong, what you should do and what you should not do. I don't know, this for me, like, is my experience. I'm not a pro, this is my second time in a track. I still got a lot to learn. I'm more used to riding on the road than on the track by a whole lot. I've been riding on the road for I think the past 6 years now, so my road experience is way more than my track experience. But after coming to track, and yeah, in the future I would really like to go to track more, get a better understanding of how this bike works, and also it actually helps out on the road. So like, if you all get the chance to ever experience track, just go ahead and do it, but make sure to be safe lah. Only ride within your own limits. So you want to push, can, but not too far lah, within your own limits lah. If you're doing some mistake, and if you're lucky, there are people that's gonna teach you what's right, what's wrong way of doing things, how to enter a corner, how to do braking, what is how to check your bike before you go into the track. Yeah, things like that lah. You learn a lot of things lah. So honestly, I learned a lot of things. Thank you to those guys, those brothers that helped me out, teach me. Yeah, I learned a lot. And yeah, this video is about to end here. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you are interested in seeing nice photos, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I shoot really nice photos, shamelessly saying. And yeah, my IG handle will be in the description below. Yeah, thanks for tuning in again, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.